Of course. That was just warm up. You gotta give everyone that one.
Run these ones. Shot. Pants grab.
Cover going out.
Oh my fucking god.
What? I did 87? How the fuck are they still alive? But they hit me twice in the head. What the fuck? Bro.
Oh my god, Chum. Come on.
Disrespect.
Chum, you can't be doing this.
Fucking knife one of them, please. I'm just hopefully wrong, but still.
30 seconds left. Take this. Gotta go.
Run.
I'm out of here. 10 seconds left. Flawless. Last round in the half.
I survived obliteration. I will survive them. Shadows traveling.
Satchel out. Enemy spotted me. Face your fear!
Just outside of that. That's fucking good.
Here comes the party! Fight planted. My ult's ready. One enemy remaining. You were pitiful. Switching sides.
We will claw
Oh,
our way
I can't
up
play the
to
game
light.
anymore. I just have to survive every single round. No assists. No kills. No deaths. 420.
It begins. Cover going out. Stealing sight. Annihilated. My ultimate
Enemy
is
spotted
ready.
B. Enemy spotted B.
One enemy remaining.
End of story. Take this. I know what must be done.
Whoever dies first. Oh,
Cover going out.
Nightmare's over.
Watch them run.
Enemy spotted B. Back off. My ult's ready. Here we go. One enemy remaining. Flawless.
That was shocking.
Match point.
Great.
Their last breath.
Reloading.
Chicken cheese, the Parmesan.
Shadows traveling.
One enemy remaining.
You were a bold.
Defenders win.
You know what? Yeah. That's why I'm the top.
Damn.
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 I was gonna say, except you got beat out this time.
I don't know. I'm on top of both of y'all.
Yeah, I'm used to being on the bottom though. Spent an awful lot of time there.
That's wild.
Spend an awful lot of time underneath. That's why I'm so used to the underground basements. My mom would leave.
Bitch. I feel like you need professional help.
Oh my
I
god.
definitely need professional
I
help.
think I need professional help too.
Anybody have any recommendations?
Yeah, there's this cool site called
Match
BetterHelp.org.
found.
We love that part. Lotus, my beloved. Wow.
Lotus, my hated.
Y'all are bitches.
Oh my god, we're playing with rare panties.
Just for that.
Don't you dare. You son of a...
I didn't even take him. What the fuck?
No. Fucking chamber on Spike Rush is dirty cheating.
Yeah, I know.
And you
I
know
say
it.
this all the time. It's quite literally it's the play style of yes, I don't have to play by your rules.
I don't.
That's pretty on
Nice
brand for
shorty.
Hades.
Would be a shame if I had a sheriff.
What I do with scope? Why are you mad, Midge?
Remember that thing I said about how I'd been practicing?
Yeah.
I've been practicing a lot of different agents.
Oh, we got
it's those
nobody
three
again.
again.
Oh, she's in my head. Damn, Midge, you're in their head.
In your head? Oh my god.
They're in your head.
Oh my god, nobody again.
Let's see if they friend request us again.
Yo, can we replace that I with an O?
Which I? The I where? I'm confused.
She's in my head. Can we replace the I with an O?
God damn it.
Oh, and can we replace the O with an I in Lotus so it's Litus? Or Litus?
Yeah, because it's gonna light us up.
Oh, I'm about to get lighted the fuck up. Oh, I've got a long list. I can't wait. I say that, but it's technically today. That's in like 6 hours. Oh boy, can't wait.
Spike Rush.
Just me, my squadzinho, and a few tons of dynamite. There's nothing we can't do.
Alright, where the fuck are we?
Oh, like this one. That reminds me.
Where's the rest of our squad? Oh fuck! I did not teleport fast enough. Far enough.
Last player standing.
Yeah, they're behind us. They flank too.
Yeah. It came from all sides.
Damn, imagine.
These new friends of ours are not too friendly.
I couldn't. I'm not